Endocrine system. The endocrine system is a group of glands that produce and secrete hormones that regulate many of the body's functions, including growth and development, metabolism, and response to stress. These hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the bloodstream to target cells and organs in the body. The main glands of the endocrine system include the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, ovaries in females and testes in males. The hypothalamus is a small area in the brain that releases hormones that control the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, also known as the master gland, controls the activity of other endocrine glands. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism and energy levels. The adrenal glands produce hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol that respond to stress. The pancreas produces hormones, such as insulin and glucagon, that regulate blood sugar levels. The ovaries in females and testes in males produce hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone that control the reproductive system. All of these glands work together to maintain the body's balance, known as homeostasis. They do so by secreting hormones in response to internal and external changes, such as stress, hunger, and changes in temperature. If the hormone levels get out of balance, it can cause health problems such as diabetes and thyroid disorders. Overall, the endocrine system is a complex network of hormones and glands that work together to keep the body functioning properly. They are responsible for the growth, development and metabolism of the body and control the response to stress and the reproductive system.